Good day everyone, welcome to yet another video. This time we have CECCATO area compressor. This is Italian brand of air compressors, although this brand is under Atlas Copco license. So in this CECCATO air compressor we have air end by Atlas Copco, and all pneumatic elements are made by Atlas Copco. This is a 40 horsepower or 30 kilowatts screw air compressor. This compressor is up to 8 bars and it's built in 2009. Weighs around 700 kilos. This compressor's got around 35,000 hours under working hours and only 18,000 hours under load. This compressor has many advantages. Among them are this fuel tank with full separation. All parts for regular service on this compressor are replaced. Air filter, oil filter, and air oil separator are brand new, also on 35,000 hours. Bearings on the Marelli Motori 30 kilowatts bearings, and also bearings on this fan, which is a second advantage for this compressor. It's direct cooling the whole cabin for this compressor, so no overheating for this compressor. The radiator is very clean. I will start this machine just briefly now, so you can see it's actually working on its working state and fully serviced. So the surfaces for this compressor are pretty neat, clean, no oil leaks detected. So don't miss this item. This is item with the Atlas Copco air end and all pneumatic features. Thank you and good luck on your bits.